What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can transfer money from Payoneer to your Binance account. Now this is very quick and simple. What you need to do guys now is you need to go to your Payoneer account. Okay, this is the first step guys, is to go to your Payoneer account, and after you log into your Payoneer account you need to click on banks and cards. Okay, now after guys you click on banks and cards, here is what you need guys to do next. You need to click on Payoneer cards, and after guys you click on Payoneer cards, you need to receive, as you can see here guys, receive payments of at least $100 to your account in the last 6-month period. Now what this means is you need to receive $100 to your Payoneer account before you can click on order a card. Now to order a card you need to receive, like I said, $100. Now after you order the card, like I did on my other Payoneer accounts, because I have multiple accounts, after you reach $100 you will find the option here or where you can order the credit card, and it will be sent to your house. Like you can add the address of your city and it will be sent to that address. Okay, and you will receive it. Now after guys you receive the credit card, you need to go to your Binance. Okay, and you need to click on buy crypto in the top left. After you open your Binance, click on credit and debit card, and here you need to select USD, because on Payoneer like the dollar, it's not euro. Of course you can you can convert dollars to euro on inside Payoneer. Yeah, and here you need to add, for example, how much you want to add to your Binance, or how much you want to use on your Binance. Okay, now you want to select how much you want. Of course, if you don't want to receive $100, you can just transfer money from Payoneer to your local bank account, and you need to use that credit card to buy from Binance. Now let me show you how you can buy right now. Like for example, $200 or $22,000, and here you need to select what you want to buy. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. So for example, Bitcoin, you need to click on continue, and you need to select cards. As you can see, you need to click and then click confirm, and here you need to click on add new card, and you need to add the new card here, as you can see, and CVV, you need to add it here, and then you want to click confirm, and that's it. Okay, that's it. It's very simple. So the only hard part is to order the card from Payoneer. But if you don't want, you can always transfer money from Payoneer to your local bank account, and then you can use your local bank account to buy crypto from Binance. Okay, hopefully this makes sense guys. It's very simple, it's easy process. After you add credit card, you need to click confirm. That's it. Okay guys, hopefully this video helped you. If it does help you guys, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.